Hello, we are the Game of Tronics team and we'd like to show a little bit of us. We study at CEFET, which stands for Federal Center of Technological Education, at a mechatronics engineering graduation. Such fact allows us to have a glimpse of different areas of knowledge, which supports us with coming up with different ideas for solving problems. We are a division of GER, a group for studies in robotics. Its main idea is to improve the knowledge in this area. Our leader is also our teacher, Dr. Renato Dâmaso. In the group, there are two teams. The first one to be created was SEC, Standard Educational Kit, and the team went to a competition. Then another division was born, rising as a great promise for LARC at the open category, in which the challenge is more complex and requires a lot of effort. We've been participating on the IEEE Open competition since 2013. In our very first time at the competition, we didn't classify, but we had a first contact with this environment. Ever since, we participated in all the editions of the challenge. In 2014, we won at the third place, competing against groups from renowned universities both from Brazil and South America. In 2015, we repeated the same place at the podium, but this time we were the only Brazilian team at it. The Airbus Shopfloor Challenge at ICRA 2016 is a chance to go further and challenge ourselves. Our solution for the challenge is made to be simple, precise, and as lighter as possible, without losing power or stability. It will also be a cheaper solution compared to a robotic manipulator. Our solution for the challenge consists in a milling cutter that has an additional axis. This fourth axis can control the angle for drilling the surface. This milling cutter will be programmable with G-code, the code used for CNC machines. Our idea is to set up the 0 point for the milling cutter in one of the 3 reference points provided, and then it will drill using the points programmed before based in the reference drawing. This approach will result in a simple but precise system. We are excited for being part of this competition. Thank you for watching.